Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also multi-bagger tips. Please don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll receive all the notification what I am posting on my community tab. And also please don't forget to refer to the membership options because all the multi-bagger stock recommendations will be for only members. Now let us go into the today's video. This is about Future Group shares. Actually there are a lot of confusion today after the Supreme Court hearing. Already there was 3 days hearing was happened. The first day Mr. Gopal Subramaniam, he made the arguments on behalf of Amazon, and the second day Mr. Harish Salve, he continued his arguments on behalf of Reliance Industries Limited on the and also in the same day Mr. Vishwanathan, he continued his argument. And today there was a rejoinder was happened from Mr. Gopal Subramaniam because yesterday it was started in the mid of the rejoinder submission, postponed the case to today, and today the rejoinder submission was happened. After that the court given 5 minutes to Harish Salve on behalf of Future Group and Reliance Industries Limited to give his final submission. While we are looking here into the top medias here, the Times of India, Business Standard, and also the already everyone they have given this news, but they didn't specify that when the Supreme Court order will come. That is because if you see all these news was just copy paste, and they didn't given any clarity on when this order will come. So let us go into the details and I will explain you what will happen and when we can expect the Supreme Court order. Actually, while we are going to the detail of the past 3 days hearing in Supreme Court, that was on 100% on favorable to Reliance and Future Group, and Mr. Harish Salve and Mr. Vishwanathan, they done an excellent job. And during the rejoinder, Mr. Subramaniam, he made some allegations, and Mr. Harish Salve, he want to make sure that the 100% the order should be on favor to Reliance and Future Group. That's the reason that he requested in the court to give time till tomorrow morning to provide some details, other authority related details. That means from the CCI, about the CCI probe which is happening. That means against Amazon, there are CCI already they have provided some allegations saying that during the FCPL deal, Amazon they were hidden some details, and so Mr. Harish Salve, he want to make sure that the 100% of the Supreme Court order should be on behalf of Reliance Industries Limited and Future Group. That's the reason Mr. Harish Salve, he requested the court, yes, 2 of authorities have to sit it, and would it be convenient by tomorrow morning, and if we brought on record short note responding to the authorities seated in the rejoinder. That means whatever the allegations was given by Mr. Subramaniam, Mr. Salve want to clear that part also. For that reason, Mr. Salve, he requested the court to give time till tomorrow to submit some documents from either CCI or SEBI saying that whatever the Amazon submission was happened in Supreme Court, that was fault. That was wrong information. But unfortunately, the court they closed the case, and you can see here the court closes the case, judgment was reserved. But it doesn't mean that the Supreme Court will not hear this submission, will not review this submission. And as I told, if you check my previous video, already clearly I specified that in India there will not be any order issued against Reliance Industries Limited because it's very sensitive subject, and the court always they will take some advice from the government as well, because it is a divisional bench Supreme Court order, and also which is related, because Mr. Harish Salve, he told that the EA order cannot be implemented in India, and as per the Indian regulations, in that case there should be an order from the parliament. Even the court also cannot take such decision. Already Mr. Harish Salve in the submission, if you see yesterday, already he made that. So that's the reason Mr. Nariman, he is very good judge, and surely he will review that part also before he give a judgment, because this will be a sensitive subject. That's the reason only without a conclusion he closed the hearing, and most probably we can expect that tomorrow there will be a conclusion and in the Supreme Court. about the final verdict. And if you see my community tab update 9 hours before I updated here, the Supreme Court closes the case judgment reserved. Mr. Harish Salve requested time till tomorrow morning for the submission of stew of authority seated in the rejoinder by Amazon as a short note. We may expect the Supreme Court order on Monday, the 2nd of August during market hours. So the Monday we can expect the Supreme Court order, the final verdict we can expect, and also that will be favored to Future Group and Reliance Group. That is what I am expecting. You can see here already I given the note here. It can work in either way. It can work in positive or negative. There is risk also involved, but 99% the verdict will be on favor to Reliance Group only. If the orders goes in favor to Amazon, we may expect few lower circuit until the Future Groups comes with SLP in Supreme Court, because already Harish Salve he told that he is having another option to go with the special leave petition in Supreme Court itself with the same judge itself. So that will happen within 1 or 2 days. He will raise the special leave petition, and again the battle will continue. So the LC will not sustain for long time. Maximum 1 or 2 LC will happen. That is a worst case scenario. But in case if the order is getting approved, that means the deal is getting approved on Monday from Supreme Court, as I have mentioned earlier, all the 6 stocks, because you know Future Consumer Limited, Future Enterprises Limited, Future Market Network Limited, Future Supply Chain Limited, Future Lifestyle Fashion Limited, and also Future Retail Limited, entire 6 shares, Future Group shares will lock on upper circuit, and until it will continue till a scheme of arrangement is getting approved from NCLT and it is getting delisted. So there will be a huge rally, the potential rally will happen, and nobody can enter within that time. So that is going to be happen. There is risk involved. Everyone knows that there is risk involved, and as of now the 3 days hearing and also the arguments from Future Group and the Reliance was 100% on favor to Future Group deal only. And also the other thing is other favorable thing is that the Supreme Court didn't concluded the case, and they didn't give the final verdict or the date, the confirmation date for that, because this is to get clarified from the government of India or maybe from concerned authority like CCI or SEBI. It can be. So that also will be 100% on favorable to Reliance and the Future Group as well. So we can expect 99% the Supreme Court verdict will be on favor to Future Group and Reliance only. So thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to refer to the membership options. So all the multi-bagger stocks, every week I am posting multi-bagger stocks, and whatever the multi-bagger stock I am giving, that is 100% risk free, because always I am following fundamental. And there is one more good thing thing I want to discuss, that today since last 1 week time, 2 weeks time, I was telling that there is manipulations are happening to the large cap stock. Today you can see the Madras High Court, they asked Competitive Commission of India, the CCI, to probe alleged steel industry cartelization in 4 months, and also DGP to probe alleged cement cartel. So the inquiry is going to be happen on the major steel industries, major steel stocks, and also all the major cement stocks which are trading above 52-week high. So very careful, be cautioned. And also the same thing we can expect on all pharmaceutical as well as chemical stocks, because already I given the caution post to all my members. So please follow that. Please don't get into the trap. If you are on profit on this kind of stocks, please exit from the stock. Otherwise, at least take out your asset from that stock and leave only your profit in that, because we are going to very tough time in this kind of stock, especially in steel industry, the major steel industries, and also the cement industry, pharmaceutical industries, and also the chemical industry. So this will be a very tough time. So very be cautioned on that, and please don't forget to refer to the membership options. And you can see that in my today's post, in the community post already I told that always entry and exit levels are very important to make us risk free. So that is very important point, because why I am saying is I am getting lot of messages, sir, JSW ISPAT special products I am holding, my average is around 45, my average is 56, my average is 66, and also in the same way in the Subex, my average is 56, my average is 63. You know, my what I recommended JSW Ispat at 26.20, and the Subex I recommended at 24 or 25 rupees level, and today it is trading around 63. Almost we are on 200% profit on both the stock, and that is the reason I am telling you, please don't make the wrong entry. The stock will move high, that is for sure, and my targets are 100 plus for both the stock, that is confirmed. But why we want such kind of risky thing in our life? Because there are many other recommendations I am giving. Every week I am giving new recommendations, because market is getting fluctuated and we have to act according to that. Then only we can make the profit. So always here you can see that. So try to take the fresh entry at the recommendation level. If you miss one stock, no issues. Take the next stock at the suggested entry level. So this is very important. We have to, if you miss one stock, JSW Ispat, you are not because you are the new member or you are the new subscriber to us. So no problem. If you miss that stock, try to take the other one. Just imagine that the BCG Limited, I was recommended at 7.05 before 5 months, and many people they were taken entry around 20 level or 25 level even after I given the exit code, because I given the detailed video about BCG Limited, and I told that there is a gambling going on above 20 level. That was a gambling, and it was taken up to 50 level, so almost made double from that from the exit code level. And now you can see that since past 2 days it's lockdown lower circuit. Maybe it will break again, there will be again manipulation will happen, and again it will be get locked, because the people they will, it means if it is getting bounce back, means some retailers are also they are going to accumulate the share at 50 or 55 level. They are going to accumulate the share. What will happen to them after 5 months? They will come to me and they will say that, sir, you recommended this stock and I have my average is 55, so what shall I do? What answer we can give? So this is the reason I am telling you, always we have to follow the recommended level. If you miss one stock, no problem, there are other stocks. Even last week also I posted 2 stocks. So this week also I am going to post another stock. Maybe tomorrow I'll post another stock. So it doesn't mean that all the stock you have to enter. It depends upon your financial situation. If you are having money today, buy it today. Otherwise, if you don't have money today and you wish to enter on next week there will be another multi-bagger stock, or you may get the previous week multi-bagger stock which was not started its rally. So you have to enter on that kind of stock. Don't take in the midway. Always the entry and the exit levels are very important. So our actions are making money in stock market, and always try to follow the fundamental of the stock, because I am explaining due to many comments what I am receiving nowadays. So thank you very much. So have a nice day. Bye.